Well folks, I'll be doing a little series and a build-up of this old F150. I happened to come across a guy selling a whole lot of Gen 1 Raptor front suspension and rear suspension. I got the springs, I got the shocks, I got everything I need to do this truck over here into a Raptor. Ordered the fiberglass from Advanced Fiberglass down in the States, because as you can see, this truck's pretty friggin' banged up, and there's dings there. This door's all dinged up. The front end's quite nice on it, it's not bad at all. The front bumper's pretty banged up though. Nice side steps have been ripped right off. The door's got nice tasty little ding in that one, and then there's a big mother of a ding here in the side. So good thing is I'm cutting the back off, like the bed sides, and putting new ones on, and the whole front end's going to be replaced with the 2017 style Raptor front end, so it's going to look pretty cool. But it was a good donor truck. It's a 5 litre. Mileage is okay on it, and it runs really good, so it should be a pretty good machine to do it on. It's got a limited slip in the back. I've ordered wheels for it, and should come up something like the Baja Love Wagon, but a little bit different. We're going to put the Raptor looking grill on it, rather than, I'm still running the stock grill. This is a diesel, 3 litre diesel, but it's got all the Raptor front suspension and the Fiberworks fenders and bed sides on it. But we thought we'd build up another truck that's going to be more of a thrash machine. You know, have the V8 in it, have the V8 noise, and have something I don't have to worry about so much. Like, my truck's good, and it's good as a commuter and getting around and picking stuff up and doing the odd off-road jaunt and doing some jumps and stuff. But this is going to be more for really thrashing and giving a little bit of a hard time. And we'll probably wrap it in a pretty cool wrap as well, because there's going to be a bit of panel work that's got to be covered over. Got seats, race seats for it. The back seats we'll replace with some leather seats out of a higher spec model. But basically that's it. It's going to be the project over the next month. Everything's ordered, but nothing's going to really be here till the end of the month. Give me time to take the front end off, take the bed sides off, and things like these side steps that are all bent up and missing on the other side. Also pull most of the interior out. I have a 10-inch Android touchscreen coming for it, so that'll replace the stereo that's in it. It comes right down here. It's going to look pretty cool. So yeah, keep an eye on this page, and we're going to change this thing into a little bit of a different beast. It's going to be pretty cool.